Well, hello there. You're watching a video where I'm gonna do my makeup. So let's get to it. First, we're gonna be doing concealer. This type of concealer. And I'm gonna put it under my eyes. All right. Now we're gonna blend it with this, I forgot what it's called. I think it's like a brush. So yeah, let's do it. I'll see you when I am done doing this. All done. Now we're gonna do this foundation. And I am gonna use this brush. So I'm gonna squeeze this on my hands. Like I'm gonna put this much. And I'm gonna put it on the brush. Oh, it feels cold. I'm gonna see you guys when I am done doing this. All done putting it all over my face. Now we are gonna let's do contour. And I'm using this brown one. Gonna open this. Oh. I think it's a little bit low. I think it's supposed to be like right here, but that's okay. I'm gonna blend it with this one again. There we go. That's good. Okay, now we're gonna do eyeshadow. We're gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow brush. We are gonna be doing this color. And let's try this color. Let's do this pink one. I will see you guys when I am done doing this. Now we're done with my eyes. We are gonna do, let's do blush, because I did not even do blush and highlighter yet. We're gonna let's use this brush. We're gonna use Idol. This one says Idol. And then for the highlighter, you're gonna use this highlighter. I'm gonna use this brush for highlighter. All right, let's do the mascara. The mascara is number 2. now. Okay. Oh, I need to fix my hair. Oh no. We'll fix that. Just a little bit more. Now we're just gonna do a little bit more for this side. Then we should be good. And do my lipstick. That's good. And I am gonna try to fix these two, so I'll be back when I am done fixing it. Now, the last thing we have is lipstick. We're gonna be, oh, I think it's upside down. We're gonna be doing this type of lipstick. Not a lot. Oh, that is a lot. Gonna fix that. Do my makeup. Oh, I need to fix my hair. Okay, this is my makeup. I hope you guys like this video. Oh, like this video, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you do not miss one of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.